All right, for my third technology tutorial or video, I am utilizing Quizlet. So, look, I'm the rookie in the school. This is my second year at my current school. So it's not like I'm teaching other teachers or showing other teachers how to use Quizlet. I'm the new guy in the situation, and they're showing me. Uh, but if I was the seasoned teacher, my target audience would be other teachers. The reason I selected Quizlet would be to show teachers how to use the website, and to improve study skills and to utilize online exams. My goals are to teach my colleagues how to use online quizzes to meet student needs on all different academic levels. So I'm sure most of you are familiar with Quizlet. In my opinion, it's a great little website here. I utilize it. There's a lot of memorization within the NJRTC program, so I use it, for instance, Department of Defense Chain of Command, or general knowledge. For general knowledge, I like to use flashcards, get the kids logged on. I also have an academic team. Academic teams, they're what's covered is very expansive. From Naval Science 1 all the way to Naval Science 4, naval history, leadership, the basics of NJROTC. There's a lot of material that's covered, and Quizlet is a great way to cover the major points, the stuff that they need to take away, instead of sitting there reading a textbook. But for example, here's a quiz that I utilize. Again, just general knowledge, Navy's birthday, the Marine Corps' mascot, so on and so forth. Again, just a great tool. It's different than just memorizing, utilizing regular flashcards or writing it down. It's just a different way